Dear children, now let's discuss the ninth question from exercise 5.2. We are asked to prove that f of x is equal to modulus x minus 1, whose domain is set of all real numbers, is not differentiable at x is equal to 1 by the definition of derivative. A real valued function f from a to b is differentiable at a point in the domain. Say C is differentiable at a point C belongs to A if f the limit h tends to 0, f of c plus h minus f of c by h exists. If this limit exists, then we say f is differentiable at c. If the limit does not exist, then f is not differentiable. Because we are asked to prove f is not differentiable at x is equal to 1, where 1 belongs to the domain real number, set of all real numbers. So it's enough if we prove limit h tends to 0, f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 by h does not exist. So let's consider the limit h tends to 0, f of 1 plus h, because we are interested in the differentiability at the point 1. So in place of c, we have got 1. F of 1 plus h minus f of 1 by h. So by the definition of our f of x, this limit is equal to limit h tends to 0. F of x is modulus x minus 1. So here x is 1 plus h. So it is 1 plus h minus 1 minus f of 1. So here x is equal to 1. Modulus of 1 minus 1 divided by h, that is equal to limit h tends to 0 mod h by h. Now if this limit exists, then we say f is differentiable at x is equal to 1. If this limit does not exist, then we claim that f of x is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Now consider the left hand limit. That is limit h tends to 0 minus mod h by h, which is equal to limit h tends to 0 minus h by h, since modulus h is equal to minus h if h is less than 0. So that is equal to minus 1. Whereas the right hand limit h tends to 0 plus mod h by h is equal to limit h tends to 0 plus h by h, since mod h is equal to h if h is positive. So that is equal to 1. So the left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. So this implies limit h tends to 0 mod h by h does not exist. That is, limit h tends to 0, f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 by h does not exist. Hence, f of x is equal to mod x minus 1, where the domain of f is set of all real numbers, is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Thank you.